Very important day, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to the new members that joined the Discord, patreon.com/shades and trades. If you want to join the Discord, get in here. We are all over SoundHound, BBAI, and many other stocks, APOD. So many good plays out there. So many stocks ready to break out or on the verge of breaking out or are currently breaking out, such as BBAI stock. As you can see here, BBAI, BigBear.ai holdings at 430. Got that breakout here, but it needs to hold. It doesn't matter if it's breaking out, it needs to hold here. It needs to hold above this level. We need it to hold above, or it's just not going to go anywhere, and we don't want that. We want this to break out and go higher. It's possible that it just sits here, then tomorrow earnings we get the actual move, and who knows what's going to happen on earnings. No one can predict earnings. We could go up, we can go down, who knows. But one thing's for certain, we are on the verge of that breakout that I've been talking to you about. Like, it's a bull run, right? We go higher, we pull back, go higher, pull back, rinse and repeat. So we need this breakout though. We don't want to jump in and then it tanks, right? Like, that's not what we want to do, because then we end up holding a big bag, and that's not what we're about. So I would say still sit back and wait until you get confirmation that we're actually going to break out and hold above 430. Once we hold up above 430, especially like we close on a nice green candle today above 430, 440, I mean, we go to 5 and then 550 and so on. It just continues, to break out and go higher. So it's just kind of, it's a no-brainer. You don't have to think about it too hard, especially in a bull run, right? In a bear market, you have to have good timing, because if you buy at the wrong time, then you're just stuck holding a fat, lazy boy bag, as I like to call it. Like, you're just stuck. Like, there's nothing you can do. You're literally screwed at that point. So please do not, your strategy should never be, hey, if it doesn't work out, I hold the big bag. So wait for the confirmation of that breakout. Now, I do want to go over some press releases. I don't think I've gone over press releases in a long time with you guys. Usually I just look at the charts and talk about what's going on, and I give it to you guys play by play, right? I make videos as often as I can, and I tell you, hey, don't buy up here. And if you listened, you're very happy. When it was trading in this range here, I was like, hey, don't buy here. If you didn't, you're very happy because you didn't hold it from 7 to 3. And now I'm telling you, this is a buy. This is a buy. It might dump on earnings, buy the dip, and we go higher. I would be okay with taking the loss if this thing decides to tank on earnings, because it just doesn't have anything going for it. But that's not true. We know it's got things going for it, and I'm going to show you that here on BBAI's not financials, BBAI's press releases here. The most important press releases to go over are the ones with regards of, let me see if I can find it here. Ask Sage is the big one. That's the one that people have been talking about like crazy. Let me see right here. Big Bear finalizes $250 million acquisition of Ask Sage. This happened on December 31st, 2025 here, at least the article. That's when it came out. That's really the biggest news that has come out recently. That's quite a bit of an acquisition, $250 million. And we know that they might dilute a bunch at some point, but that's kind of just it's going to happen, right? We just have to decide that's part of the game, especially the company sitting under $5. Let's see. Announced the completion of its acquisition of Ask Sage, a fast-growing generative AI platform purpose-built for AI deployment, orchestration, and agentic capabilities across defense. Ask Sage is already operating at scale in mission-critical environments. Yeah, but what we want to know is what are we going to get out of it, right? Because we want to jump in this because we want to get the pump. So when is there going to be news with regards to, hey, Ask Sage just accomplished this big thing and the stock goes up, right? That's ideal. We want news that's going to send it. If you guys want to see this at $10, we need news. We need catalyst. Without that, this is just going to go nowhere. We've been through that already. It'll naturally fluctuate around a certain level. Yes, maybe it'll break out and follow the markets up to a certain extent. Yes, but we need the catalyst to send it, right? When we get catalyst, this thing can go. We know that, right? When we got that catalyst back here in February 2025, look at it go. It went from $4 to $10. That was the only time we touched $10, at least recently, because I believe we went above 10 way back in 2022. So, but since then we haven't really gone above 10 until recently here. So we really do need news catalyst, something to send it. As you can see here, it is coming up to resistance, and it is, it's not exactly holding up so far. It's just testing it. Maybe today we don't get the big breakout. Maybe it happens on earnings. Maybe it happens tomorrow. So maybe that's how it's going to play out. Who knows? Nobody's going to know what's going to happen next. What we do know is we are in a bull market, and we have some important stuff coming up for BBAI. So let's see. BBAI expects the acquisition to further enhance its growth across national security, defense, intelligence, and regulated commercial markets, while reinforcing its commitment to delivering AI solutions that move from experimentation to operational impact. So yeah, I kind of want to see, again, they expect it, but we need to see more, right? We need to hear something about this. We need contracts, something, or else we're just never going to see 10. We need the catalyst, guys. With news, we can see 10. We've seen it multiple times. Here, it tried to get to 10, but unfortunately, October was the start of that 7-month crash, right? October, November, December, January, February, March, and we finally bottomed out in April. So took 8 months, 7 months. So, right. We've made the attempt several times to get back to 10. We break 10. You guys know me. We break 10. We can go to 12, 15, 18, 20, etc. Again, it's not going to go straight there, but it'll happen over time. That's what we need to see. So, bullish on it. We need the breakout, that short term, like literally this week, we need it. We broke out of this descending wedge. Maybe the alcohol is getting to me. Monthly time frame, we got the cup and the handle. Here on the quarterly as well, it's very obvious. So again, that everything's lining up for a big surge. I have not jumped in yet. I need to see this breakout. If I want to play it safe, I'll wait till after earnings and go from there. I mean, I don't care if it runs on earnings. Cool, fantastic. I don't care. There's plenty of other stocks. Number one. Number two, this has had good earnings and pumped, and right, like it always comes down anyways. Like it's not the end of the world. In fact, it's had earnings and dumped, and the buyers showed up here. Huge gap down, and buyers showed up. So that's going to be interesting. If this dumps on earnings, probably keep an eye on it to see if buyers show up. Because if people still are interested in this stock, buyers should show up for it. That's the one thing to keep an eye on. So there's going to be it's a very big week. It's a very big week, at least from an analyst point of view, because I know this stock very well. I've been following it for years, so it's going to be fun. It's going to tell us a lot. It's going to tell us a lot, both from the buyer's side of things, but also from the company side of things. All right, guys, that is it for the video. Patreon.com/shadesandtrades. If you want to join the Discord, highly recommend joining now. For those of you thinking about it, on the verge of like maybe I jump in, maybe not, because unfortunately people jump in at the end of the bull market, and that's like the worst time to join because it's literally everything's going to start crashing. So the best time to join is like at the beginning of a bull market, because then you can really see real money being made when everything just keeps going up and everyone's a genius. But you got to still have the timing, right? If you have good timing, you squeeze out that extra little more out of the markets without having to use leverage and all that. All right, guys, that is it for the video. I will see you in the next one.